Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know someone's Wi-Fi password. So if you are getting someone's Wi-Fi connection and if you don't know the password, I will show you how to do this. So you can see on my screen, I have these two Wi-Fis, but I don't know the password any of them. You can see both are locked. So how I can use it? So you need an application. First of all, open any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome, and then you have to search for this card APK, and then you will see this first website. So you just have to download this, tap on it, and now scroll down and you will see this how to connect to any Wi-Fi without password. So just tap on this, your application will be downloaded, and after this just open your application, and now you will see this menu and you can see all the Wi-Fi's here. So we are going to connect the Wi-Fi which is strong like in signals. So I'm going for this one, auto connect, and you can see this, it's connecting. Now you can see this complete and our Wi-Fi is connected. So that's how you can connect any Wi-Fi. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.